Studying humanities is great. You get to learn about the great works of art, literature, philosophy, and film. You learn to communicate, perceive, develop opinions, think critically, and express ideas through writing. You get to know where we're from and where we're going. But the idea of life after school in the real world can be very daunting. As a humanities major, what are my strengths? How can I articulate my skills? How can I be ready and confident for life after school? Humanities Plus is a free program here at Concordia. It is designed to help you make this transition through a series of workshops and activities, which culminates in a summer internship. The program will help you articulate and translate skills from your academic program into your professional life. It's also a place to identify your interests and skills. It provides tools and opportunities to support your growth, learning, self-awareness, and confidence. All of this within a community of like-minded peers from various humanities programs at Concordia.
When starting the Humanities Plus program, I would describe myself as being a little bit shy and not really open to taking risks. I think that I was looking to develop my confidence.
It really was a rewarding experience, and it didn't take that much time out of my schoolwork, and it was structured so incredibly well.
I now have the vocabulary to explain my strengths and my goals, and which I will continue to use certainly throughout my career.
And I was able to meet so many people that I wouldn't have previously met, and I just got a much better understanding of what humanities entails.
For Humanities Plus, I felt like before I started the program, I did have my potential within me, but through Humanities Plus, I was able to articulate what exactly those skills were.
It definitely helped me get into a good routine and actually think concretely about what my future was going to be like.
With your effort and commitment, the Humanities Plus team is dedicated to helping you succeed in your university to career transition. We invite you to join the program and shape your future with our support.